Let's check out some meaningful meditation music. We'll put a little riff between two hands that's very beautiful sounding. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Well, let's look at a riff today that we can pull apart from a very beautiful Easter song. Let's put it between our hands and we can make it into a beautiful little meditative riff together. So let's break it down and put these notes into our left hand. So 1, 2, 3, F sharp, middle note, B, middle note, C sharp, 2 middle notes, and B again, 2 middle notes. Let's look at the notes again. So 1, 2, 3, F sharp, middle note, B, middle note, C sharp, middle, middle, B, middle, middle. So let's do now with the timing. You can hear this C sharp and the B jumping in before the beat in a bit of syncopation there, but we keep balancing it with the 2 F sharps there in the left hand. Let's try it again. Jump, 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 jump. Andrew Peterson does a beautiful version of Is He Worthy? He does it featuring the piano, and we begin with a B major riff between the hands. Then the original song changes the left hand part and then leads with these beautiful melody notes over the top. Then the B returns again. So let's take that very first riff that we've learnt now and let's move it to an E pattern, because we can move that anywhere and it just sounds lovely. So E pattern, jump, jump, jump. And keep answering our little jump ins with our 2 B's there this time. Again. Back to the B. We could go to F sharp as well, then to the E, then B again. We could play with the octaves. We could just change the bass. So I hope that gives you a few ideas to play around with that little riff. Our family is doing that song as an item on Good Friday, but whether you want to play that arrangement as part of a song of faith, it's still a beautiful meditative riff that you can enjoy with your music making this week. Have fun. Ta-da.